Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shari here. Shari Elisa, for those of you who don't know. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back bitches. If you're wondering why I'm in glasses, one is because I'm dramatic, and two, if you watch my previous videos then you know I had pink eye. Things are getting better, things are simmering down, but I haven't worn makeup in like 4 days. My eye's a little swollen today. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm praying to Jesus Christ himself in the messenger. Is it the messenger? So for precautionary reasons and dust and done and all of the above, your girl's going to do a video like this because why the fuck not? Entonces, we're going to talk about what's in my travel bag, as you can see in the title. If you're watching this now, I don't know when I'm going to post this. I am currently in LA living it up, baby, and I wanted to show you guys what's in my travel bag and just show you what I'm going to carry and talk about my trip. So first thing first, I want to talk to you about the bag that I'm using. I've had this bag for probably, oh my god, years and years and years. I don't remember. I bought it on like one of those, like when everybody was like I consider myself like, you know, a chic individual, but I do love streetwear a lot. I am an 80s baby that was always a tomboy, and so I love things that are on the border of being tom girl chic. I would consider myself tom girl chic. Remember, I bought this bag. This is from the good old Obey. I've had this bag forever and ever and ever. It's sturdy. It does have a strap. I have no idea where that strap is, but it's pretty big. If you're wondering what's inside of it, it pretty much is I think 2 pairs of like sandals, my jean jacket, and my neck pillow, which I will take out. I'm not gonna take out everything because who cares. I'm also bringing this bag. This is a bag I purchased early spring summertime from Supreme. Like I said, I am tom girl chic, aka hype beast, aka streetwear mommy. I don't have like the freshest newest things because ain't nobody got time for all that gear, but I did manage to have this. I feel like this will be nice for if I go up to Hollywood Hill, if I do any hiking, or if I do anything like real quick. And then the second thing I'll show you is just my neck pillow. This has a gel for me. I bought this for like 12 bucks, I think, at Marshall's. It's perfect because it locks, and if you don't know, the flight from New York to LA is literally 6 hours, so I will be so I put a couple samples in here. Silver White Mountain smells like if rich people were having sex in their house, like rich black people, rich Hispanic people were having sex in their $1 million house. I feel like this is what it smells like. It's unisex, it's manly, it's masculine, and it's feminine all at the same time, where it's really fresh. I love the notes of it. I feel like it's one of those like I'm a boss bitch perfumes. First thing I grab is a Tatcha Deep Cleanse. I need to clean my face. I'm taking the milk cooling water because I like this under my eye. So I also am taking this because I only have a little bit left, is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water, which I talked about. You know how much I love this. I'm also taking the Truth Serum, Oler Henriksen, and then I'm taking the Tatcha Pure One Step Camilla Cleansing Oil. This is just to break down the makeup. Next is the Flimsy Pink Pack. All right, so there is a lot of stuff in there. This is very important. I'm just keeping this in the same bag. This is those toothpicks. It's floss toothpicks. They look like this, and then I'm putting little cotton swabs in there. I put the cotton swabs because obviously it's to clean my ears and my belly button, but also like to clean up makeup and stuff like that when I carry that with me. I'm always need, what is this called, a lash curler, 2 body butters. Everything is supposed to be under 3 ounces. Most of them are 1 ounces. These are all travel friendly, which is why I'm really excited, because I pretty much own all of this. There is nothing here that I had to go out and buy, which I'm like really excited about. So this is body lotion. I recently got the finishing cream from Way. I actually really like this. It smells amazing. If I just want to like refresh my hair, that's nice. I brought shampoo. And then I'm bringing a brush cleaner because and that's another thing, I'm not going to show the brushes that I'm bringing because I feel like that doesn't matter, but I'm bringing a brush cleaner just in case I need to like quickly clean something. When time it's rough, it's the Hungarian thermal water. The reason I'm bringing this one, I'm also bringing Protini as well, is because if it's dry air and I feel like I'm not combo anymore, I feel like I'm getting like more on the normal, but I'm still combination, but I'm more of the combination of oily normal. Like I don't get extremely dry, but I don't know I'm not sure how my skin is going to react to the dry weather, and I'm afraid that I might get really dry. Like the weather's dry here in New York City, like there's no moisture in the air, and I'm afraid of it being like that in Cali. And if for extra hydration, I'm also taking the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Serum. I freaking love this sugar advanced therapy. My lips have been so dry lately, and this is the only thing that is saving. Shout out to my coworker who put me onto this. SPF sunscreen. This is from Drunk Elephant. Tropical Cleanse from Glam Glow. I recently got this. I've actually never tried it, which I'm excited about. Okay, and then I have eye cream. You know, eye cream, a little bit goes a long way. I'm taking the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub just to scrub my body. This is the EO Natural Deodorant Wipe. You know, this is just in case I go out or I'm out all day, just to wipe it up a little bit. And then I have these Fresh Towel body cleansing towelettes. I got these during the sale for Bath and Body Works, I think. Oh, is it Bath and Body Works? Yeah, Bath and Body Works. I've had those for a while. I have a couple left. I'm just gonna bring 2 because I feel like I don't even know if I'm gonna get sweaty, but I would rather be prepared, so I have stuff like this. This is really nice to throw in your bag. I'm bringing 2 of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I'm taking my 2 Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These are from Wonder Beauty. And then of course I'm taking the last KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. So I want my skin to perform at its peak while I am in New York and LA. So this is the last thing we're gonna talk about, which is makeup. Like I said, I plan on shopping for makeup, so I didn't want to take too much. I may take something out, but I will talk about foundation. So I'm going to take a luminous and I'm going to take a matte. This is the Milk Makeup Blur Foundation. This is the color Cinnamon. I'm taking this, and then this is the number 11 Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I actually really like this. So I'm going to take my all-time favorite concealer, which is the NARS Soft Matte in the color Amande. I'm taking my Bite Beauty because I love extra hydration for the lips, and I like to wear that before. I'm taking 2 highlights only, which is really hard. This is the Milani Golden Light number 3 Spotlight one. I love this one. And of course I'm taking my Jouer, which you know, hands down, favorite highlight of 2018. I'm going to take my ColourPop lipstick in the color Cinnamon, which you guys know I love. I need a cream lipstick. I'm going to take the Lorac Lash Pomade Mascara in the color Black. I just got this in Box of Charm, I think 2 months ago, so I've just been excited to try that, and then I can give you guys an idea about it. I'm going to take 2 sprays. I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. There's only like literally like 2 sprays left in there, and then I'm going to take the Smashbox Primer Water. I have a feeling that I might be using this a little bit more than the Smashbox one, but I'm taking both of them just because, like I said, everything that I'm taking is under 3 ounces. And that's what you need for carry-on bags. I'm taking the Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder from my bitch Charlotte Tilbury, and then I'm taking the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth in the color Deep. Luminous skin, regardless if I'm wearing a matte or not. This is the Dr. Brand. I remember I loved this all of early 2018, and I just like one day stopped wearing it. I'm not sure why. Czar Woman from NARS. This is probably their best red. I love this formula. It's very liquidy and it's easy to just throw in your purse. I feel like a red is good for like a staple look. If you don't know what kind of makeup you want to do, you just put a plain eye, lashes, fill those brows in, foundation, and red lip, and trust me, you've got a signature classic look. My nude sticks in the color Greystone, and I just need 1 nude, and I just ran out of my Rihanna my Fenty Beauty oh my god, what's it called, the lip gloss. I do plan on buying new lip gloss, but I'm gonna just take the Fudge lip gloss from ColourPop and then carry this so that I have a nude. I'm going to take 2 liners. I'm gonna take Nutmeg and Brown. I will be taking 1 black liner, which is the Marc Jacobs blacker liner. I'm gonna take the Milk Makeup Cush Brow in the color Dutch. I'm gonna take some velour eyelash glue. I'm gonna take my favorite Stila Cloud Liquid eyeshadow. This is perfect for like when I want to glam it up. Case. I'm taking this one because this is the LA Girl Fawn, or it's Dawn. It's Fawn. I really like this, but I like to clean up my brows with this, and I like to color correct with this. I don't plan on using this under my eyes because it's a little bit too orange. What I am taking drum roll please, is the KKW number 11 concealer. You know, I had a little beefington about this concealer, but it's actually the lightest one that I have. I'm only taking Spite eyebrow pencil from MAC. And then I'm just bringing a fun liner. This is the NYX Studio Effect liner in the color Extreme Sapphire. I take my brown sugar because there are plenty of transition colors in there, and then there's a couple shimmers that I do like if I want to create a bronze. All right, and then last but not least, I am taking my Pure palette. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. I just need this to contour my cheekbones, and that, you guys, is it. I am so excited to be leaving New York City. It's been a while. I am so thankful for you guys to continue watching my channel. I hope you liked everything that I'm carrying. Is there anything that I'm carrying that you think that I shouldn't or should be carrying? And sound off in the comments and let me know. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next time when a girl don't got pink eye. See ya.